First Chronicles chapter 1. In the beginning, before the rise and fall of kings, there were names, the ancestors who lived and shaped the world as we know. From Adam, the first man, to Noah, the survivor of the flood. These were the roots of humanity. Adam fathered Seth and Enosh, and then on and on continued. These earlier generations walked with God, lived long lives, and passed down stories of faith and failure. They came to the flood. Noah and his sons, Shem, Ham, Jephthah, emerged to rebuild a world washed clean. From the sons came nations, the tribes and the people who filled the earth. Shem's line would lead to the chosen people, while Jephthah spread far and wide, and Ham settled the lands of Egypt and Canaan. This is the beginning of the stories of the nations. From Adam to Abraham, the father of many, the lineage unfolds, and the names would be shaped history. In these names lies the roots of faith and the foundations of the stories to continue to this day. As we trace these names, we can find threads that connect us to the beginning, to the time where faith first took root to the soil of history. You have a blessed, wonderful day. This is the Lineage. We all have a past, and we all have a connection to somewhere, to some way, and this is what this is. You have a blessed day. See you tomorrow.